Sometimes people think you need to live in a big city, have fancy equipment, or a tech degree to actually make money online. But that's not true. I live currently in a small village in Kenya, surrounded by trees, kids laughing outside, and a very simple setup. And yet, I earn income online using AI tools that are completely free to start with. Today, I want to show you exactly how I do it and how you can start too, even if you have no experience, no money to invest, and just a phone or a laptop. When I came back home from Turkey, I wasn't sure how I'll continue working and supporting myself as well as my family, even if it is little money that I could earn online. But I knew one thing. I didn't want to actually just remain at home and do nothing. I love making my own money, even if it is $1. So, as usual, I kept on learning to use AI tools, simple ones that anyone can use to create digital products, to write content, to design, and even make videos. At first, it was confusing, but then I realized you don't need to know everything about AI. You just need to actually know how to use it and to actually solve people's problems. That's where income begins. Now, before we talk about tools, let's start with purpose. If you want to earn online, ask yourself, what can I create or teach or help people with? Maybe you love writing, or maybe you love designing, or maybe you love helping others to stay organized, or creating beautiful visuals. AI helps you do all that faster, smarter, and for free. Now, you can actually create digital products for Etsy, or maybe for Gumroad, or maybe for Notion. You can actually offer simple content writing or maybe design services. You can make videos for small businesses in your area using AI. The secret is actually to pick one thing that actually get to actually, or maybe you are used to, or maybe you can get good at it. Now, here's the exact tool that I normally use, especially on a daily basis, all free and perfect for beginners. Let's dive in with the first one, which is actually ChatGPT. Now you see me here on my screen. I have opened my ChatGPT. I have different accounts for different purposes. I use ChatGPT to write description for my Etsy products, to come up with business ideas or strategies, or even to draft YouTube video scripts like this one sometimes. Now you just type a clear prompt like write a short bio for a printable planner for moms. It gives you ready content that you can actually edit and use, just like I want to show you here. And then you click done, and it's gonna write you something that you won't be actually regret. You can see, like, I just give it a very simple maybe prompt like write a short bio for printable planner for moms, and ChatGPT has gone to its work and design actually created this. Let's talk about it, about this planner. Now, designed with busy moms in mind, this printable planner helps you stay organized, balanced, and inspired every day. From meal planning to self-care checks, it's all in one space to manage homework and family life with ease, created to bring peace, productivity, and little joy to your daily routine, because moms deserve to thrive, not just to survive. Isn't this actually beautiful? This is just awesome, especially if you don't know how to write such things. Now, let's move on to the next actually free tool that you can start using right now, which is my favorite, which is actually Canva. Now, when it comes to Canva, I do a lot, like it's one of my favorite. Canva is my favorite for creating designs, social media posts, ebooks, planners, journals, digital products, and much more. It is free, it is actually easy to use, and has ready-made templates. I often use ChatGPT to generate ideas and then design them in Canva. And the best thing is that Canva has recently updated its version, and we also have Canva AI that you can actually describe anything, your idea, and it's gonna bring it to life. You can design, you can create image, you can create document, you can code, you can do video clips. as much as you want, especially for those people who are on paid version. So if you are just starting out, try to learn about Canva for designing. You won't regret, guys. Now let's move on to my third tool that I normally use, which is one of my favorite as well. And I have been using this tool for a long time. Now, the tool that I'm talking about is none other than actually Design AI. Now, this one, okay, my laptop, I don't know what is happening, but you can see this one, Design AI, it was formerly known as Stellar AI. These tools generate images and actually mockups. For example, if I want to create a t-shirt design or beautiful product mockup for Etsy, maybe I just come here, maybe start a new project like you can see, and then let's just give it a minute. So as you can see, I'm on design and I want to try to do something or maybe create something or maybe a design for my POD or maybe print on demand products. So I can type in something as simple as, let's say we just create something, maybe a realistic image. You can say something like African, as you can see, a very simple prompt like African mom holding a coffee mug in the morning light, and then you choose the style that you want. Design AI has a lot of styles, including the latest Nano Banana. We have Google for image. We have Queen. We have ideogram. A lot of them. So you just pick the one that you want. We also even have Flux. Let's use Flux. And then you're going to generate an image that we can use for our products or maybe for something. Okay, so if we give it a minute, it's going to start generating. As you can see, let's just give it a minute. Now, as you can see, it has generated very realistic images that you can actually use for your products or maybe for your mockup or stuff like that to advertise whatever you are selling, or even actually sell these AI images. If you want a full picture on how you can actually start creating such things, let me know in the comment section. So that's just one of it. Now, if you don't want to use Design AI, we also have a free tool that I normally use, which is actually LENARDO AI. One of the free one, or maybe one of the best when it comes to actually to creating such things. You come here, you sign in. Let me sign in a minute. Okay. Once you sign in, you actually agree to its term, and then you can create things like images, videos, anything that you imagine. So if I click here and then I put my prompt, the same prompt that we actually used in Design AI, we actually gonna start seeing it generating. Of course, you have to set, or maybe you have to see the style and the dimension and enhance everything here. Let's just see what it has created. You can pick any that you want. You can see what it is creating. These are best when it comes to actually mockups and realistic images, as you can see. So that's a free one also that you can try. And the best thing is that they normally give you actually tokens that you can actually start using on a free version. Okay. Now, when it comes to actually something to organize my content, I normally use Notion, which is also free. You can get a free version, and I use it to organize my content ideas, plan my business, and even sell digital templates. It is free and helps you to stay actually productive, like to stay productive and also to be very organized. And the best thing is that they also have a new feature, which is AI. They have integrated a new feature that you can actually start trying these agents, and it is for free. So I highly recommend you to try it, and you won't regret trying it. It's one of the best that I highly recommend. Okay, guys. Now, when it comes to video editing and also actually generation, a lot of things, I normally use CapCut most of the time. Okay. And for this, I use CapCut, and sometimes I use GROK 4 or maybe InShot to actually create video clips with AI voiceovers and actually subtitles. And it is one of the amazing because it has a lot of features when it comes to these kind of things. All these tools are actually free to start and can actually build income, maybe streams of income if you know how to actually use them, and if you are consistent, and if you actually are into the right mindset. So try CapCut and you won't regret using it for your video, for creating AI stuff and voiceovers and other tools that are actually super amazing. The reason why I love GROK for it is that you can actually have a lot of things going on when it comes to image generation and also turning these simple images into videos without actually needing a lot. And also there is a new, maybe there is another feature which is chat. You can chat with the bot and then it gives you a lot of things, especially when it comes to deep search and actually giving you insights, especially when you want to do a research on a topic or maybe on something that you want to sell. GROK4 has a lot of actually things to offer, even when it comes to actually your business generation or maybe your business strategy generation. Okay, so try both of them. Try the new image feature that turns images into videos and you won't regret. It is one of the best that I highly recommend you to try. Now, you might be wondering, okay, but what exactly do you sell using these tools? Here's what some of the things that I actually sell. And of course, I told you guys I have two shops, Etsy shop, and also I have Gumroad. I have my website, which is actually on Medium and other. And also I have a YouTube channel that are two that are actually performing well, that I highly recommend you to watch or maybe to subscribe. And things that I normally watch or maybe I normally sell are actually, some of them include digital products that I sell on Etsy and Gumroad. We have planners, we have journals, we have checklists, ebooks that I normally sell on Amazon also. And also we have AI video generation or maybe creation that I post on my other YouTube channel. I make short motivational videos for clients also and also for YouTube. Also, sometimes I do freelance content whereby I do product description, social post, and also blog writing for small businesses or maybe for beginners who want to earn money online. All made possible with actually these AI tools, including ChatGPT, Canva, Design AI, LENARDO, Perplexity, and much more that I haven't mentioned all of them here, but maybe in my next videos. Okay, I did need to move or maybe spend money. I just learned how to combine this and also creativity and the right mindset with the right AI tool. Now, once I have created, or maybe once you create something, the next question is who will you, or maybe who will buy it? Now, as for me, some of the things that I normally use, or maybe the main places I normally sell my products include Etsy, which I sell mostly digital products. I use also LinkedIn, one of my favorite that I highly recommend you to try, and also Facebook groups to find clients who need help with content or maybe visuals. Sometimes I do gigs on Fiverr and also Upwork to offer services like writing, design, or maybe video creation, which is one of the gigs that I normally actually use to generate income. If you are shy about freelancing, start small. Create one product at a time and also one service or maybe helpful post. You'll be surprised how opportunities grow when you share your work online. Now, as I finish this video, the best part is that I get to work from anywhere, even including in the village right now, with my kids nearby, surrounded by nature. Sometimes I take breaks to cook or maybe to eat something or go for a walk outside. I'm not chasing the city rush anymore, yet I'm still earning a little money and building something that I know in future gonna be good. This is just the beauty of AI. It doesn't replace people, it empowers us. It gives you time, flexibility, and the freedom to work on your own terms. Now, if you've been wondering where to start simple. Use free tools the same way I'm sharing, like this one that I'm sharing, and you guys, you won't regret. And you don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to have Wi-Fi, or maybe you don't need to subscribe to Wi-Fi. But if you can get internet, the better. If you have a willingness to learn, that is best. And also, if you are consistent, that's something amazing. Now, if I can earn from my little village using free AI tools, so do you. You can also do it, because success isn't about where you live. It is about what you do with what you have. Okay, guys, I hope this video inspires you to start learning any tool, AI tool that can actually help you to advance, or maybe in terms of learning, in terms of creating wealth, or maybe in terms of actually learning online. Until next time, guys, we're going to reach out, or maybe we're going to keep on learning together. I'll see you. I have to stop here. Bye bye.